What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset flags on Google Chrome. So you want to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser, guys, and you want to type in Chrome colon forward slash flags, as you can see there. And once you're here, guys, you will be able to see all these different features here that are, let's say, enabled on Google Chrome. The ones that you're seeing are on default, these are on by default, or these are set to the default state, not enabled, not disabled, but just in default state, right? And so you can enable whatever you want and you can disable whatever you want, right? There's a whole lot of different features here in Google Chrome. And so if you want to go ahead and reset all of these features in Google Chrome, this is how you can go ahead and reset these flags. So at the upper right, you will find reset all. You click on that and everything is reset. Keep in mind that you need to relaunch Google Chrome. As you can see down here at the bottom, it becomes blue. You need to relaunch Google Chrome for this to take effect. But you will already see that these are there within the Google Chrome. You will see that they're still in their enable and disable state, but don't worry about that. Relaunch Google Chrome and it will all be reset. And so that's all there is to it, guys.